Hello guys.
No.
We are here.
Haunted playground.
We were gonna do
Haunted
the
playground.
haunted. We were gonna go
Haunted playground.
haunted playground.
My sister.
Here's my buddy Jello,
Master.
and I'm Sean. Hello.
This
This is the haunted playground.
That actually. My sister, look at. Stay there. My sister is doing like that. And the ghost is doing like that. This is around. Just look at the playground. I don't know what that said.
It's already it's already 3 o'clock.
No morning, not morning.
I mean 3 o'clock. I don't know.
Cameraman!
Wait,
Cameraman!
we're gonna see in there, guys. Come on. This is the place. There's a wheel on there. So many place. This is abandoned playground. Here. Here's abandoned playground, guys.
Guys, this is
Abandoned playground.
and that's the baleta tree.
Baleta tree. This is the baleta tree, guys.
And then there's a house.
There's a mango. There's a house in here.
And then there.
In there.
Side there.
And
Then, wait, can I borrow the camera? This is the entrance. Hello, this is the entrance. Entrance, there's a puppies here. And then you can see all the playground. This is the playground before.
there's
We
a
play here before, and then the slide is gone, and it became haunted. Right. This is the haunted playground. The most haunted.
There's many kinds of tools in here. Have
That's mine. I remember that. I put it there. Very long.
there's so many poop.
And then there's like that something.
There's so many poop. See that poop? Yeah. Poop, poop, poop.
Saan?
And a mango. Here.
That's the baleta tree.
There's a tree, guys.
There we're not supposed to.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and leave us a like, comment,
Nice.
and we were gonna give you what we were gonna give
Fidget spinner.
fidget spinner.
Fidget.
Thanks, guys. Please subscribe.
Bye bye guys. Look at first. Look.
Peace.